Okay guys, this is where we're at right now. Will's already built the base for the cabinets because I wanted it kind of high off the ground. And then there's like that middle piece where he's gonna put a filler. Oops, lost my shoe. But yeah, this is it, and then we're gonna put like a top on it. It's gonna be really good. So that's kind of what it's gonna look like. And of course we're gonna paint it. Alright guys, so we have the first coat on the cabinets. And I think we're going to add another cabinet here, but we haven't quite decided on it. But this side is almost done. And we've also removed the doors. And Will has painted those, and they have the first layer on them. all done with the pantry, so I kind of just wanted to go ahead and give you an overview after everything was put back in. So as you can see, the shelves go up really high. So we definitely have to use our step stool, but it's good space. Up top we have like just extra stuff we don't use as often. And then here is everything else. I love how it turned out. It looks amazing. We have so much more space than we used to have. And then
what we do here is go back,
we have like, you know, just lots of storage down here. So we're still gonna get the soft close joints after a bit, but currently this is just kind of how everything is stored. And then the only thing that we have left to put in here is a little holder for plastic bags, and the little they have like little rubber dots we can put on the door so that they don't stick. And then I think we're also considering just putting some lights under the shelving here, just to add some space, you know, just under here. We're looking into just putting lights under there, but otherwise I'm so happy we decided to add more cabinets here, because otherwise not really sure what we were gonna do, but I am definitely glad that we added this here. My husband, this is wood. We made these little tops here, and he used his router tool to make that edge look nice and finished. And I stained and put poly on the top of here. So these definitely turned out really nice, because it is an alternative to expensive like granite or anything like that. And because we didn't build our house, having to try to find something that matched the granite to the kitchen would have been pretty hard. So we just really stained it to match the floor. And once again, I love how they turned out. I think they turned out amazing, and it definitely gave us some more storage. Like for example, on the holidays and things, we can like have the desserts and things like that in here, because you can still walk in there. There's definitely still plenty of space. So this is how everything turned out, and I absolutely love how everything turned out. It's just amazing in comparison to those wire racks that were in here before. And the racks could not hold, like literally no weight. Basically it couldn't hold any weight, because even with just our cans on it, the racks were sagging. But with these, as you can see, like my husband, when he put them in, he pulled himself up on them. And my husband's a big guy, he's 6'6", so he's a big guy, and he pulled himself up on them to make sure that they were sturdy, and they are. So as you can see, we have lots of stuff up here. And they're doing really well. So super happy, super happy about how it turned out.